Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. To further improve multitasking for your online learning or work from home setup, an extended monitor is a great tool. Choosing the right one for you will greatly depend on your budget, setup, and actual needs. For today's video, we will unbox and review this Mi 23.8 inches desktop monitor 1C from Xiaomi, which retails for 6,990 pesos in Mi stores nationwide and their official accounts in Lazada and Shopee. Let's start unboxing. Inside the box, you will find its base, stand, AC adapter, HDMI cable, an L-shaped screwdriver, stand screw, 2 base screws, user manual, and warranty notice plus energy rating. At the back of the display's body, there's the 5-way navigation button, power port, HDMI port, VGA port, and security slot. At the front of the display, you will see the indicator status when the monitor is turned on, turned off, or in sleep mode. To turn the monitor on, press the middle of the 5-way navigation button. Afterwards, hold it for 2 seconds to turn it off. For the specifications, product model is RMM NT238NF, rated power of 24 watts max, brightness of 250 candela per square meter, color of 16.7 million, refresh rate of 60 Hz, response time 6 milliseconds, dimensions of 539.2 by 181.2 by 419.5 millimeters, weight of 2.7 kilograms, power input 12 volts 2 amperes, display size of 23.8 inches, dot pitch of 0.275 by 0.275 millimeters, contrast ratio of 1000:1, aspect ratio of 16:9, and maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. For the assembly, install the stand onto the back of the monitor, then fix firmly with the stand screws. Connect the stand to the base, then tighten the base screw securely. Adjust the angle up to 15 degrees forward or up to 5 degrees backward based on your needs. For its features, it has wide-angle IPS panel, 178 degrees panoramic view, super narrow bezel on its 3 sides, super slim 7.3mm body, 1080p high definition, and low blue light for eye comfort. For its pros, it is cheap, and it has a slim body and bezels. For the cons, it has no VESA mount support, it has no integrated speaker, and refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz only. For the menu description, you will find the different configurations for brightness, contrast, color temperature, smart modes, input, and settings. For my review, the actual screen has a matte finish which I like. It is easier to clean using a microfiber cleaning cloth and makes it easier on the eyes. It is good for basic multitasking for school or work but is not intended for graphic-intensive games. And that's it for the unboxing and review of this Mi 23.8 inches desktop monitor 1C. Stay tuned for more updates as I build my own workstation soon. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!